Well, hello everybody, this is AskLewie again, and today we're going to learn how to do a ghost in hell. So let's get right to it. Alright, so first things first, I am using a salt nic device with 50 milligrams of nicotine. So when you take a hit of this dank ass sauce, you get rickety ricked every single time. So I'm feeling a little non-lucid at the moment. So we'll start from the beginning on how to do the ghost in hell. It's not really that hard. You do have to know how to do your standard O, which is like nice, simple. So the first thing is you're going to want to take a nice long drag from your e-cigarette straight into the mouth. Hold it in for a second and let it linger. You're not inhaling it into the lungs, so it's not going to like burn your throat or lungs. You're holding it into the mouth for about 1 to 2 seconds to let it form into a ball. Number 2, you're going to adjust your mouth almost like you're doing your O face, and this could look very funny. You're going to adjust your mouth into that O face. Release it, pushing with your tongue. It's going to form out in front of you into a ball, and you quickly inhale it back into your lungs really fast. So it kind of looks like this. Nice, simple, easy. It can be a little harder for people just getting into it, but after you practice and you give it patience, you will eventually master this technique and you will have the ghost in hell down like a professional vape artist, dog. Everything takes practice, so just remember, as long as you keep at it, it will happen. I promise you that right now. If you're interested in learning any of the other vape tricks that you've seen me do on my channel, let me know in the comment section below. I'd be happy to create a video just for you to learn a certain trick. I love feedback, and I would love to help anybody else that are learning how to do tricks with e-cigarettes. This was a very short video, but it's just because the trick is pretty simple, and I'm sure all of you will be able to learn it very fast. I'm confident in you, and I know that you can do it. So this is the end of my short video. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button. If you want to see future content, please subscribe. You know it means a lot to me. And let's keep pushing. We're almost to 300, and I'll be doing another giveaway, guys. So, you know what else happens? Ask Lou.